Hi kids, in this lesson, we'll practice spelling and identifying the names of these cool creatures, from snakes to turtles. Reptiles. Reptiles are amazing animals with scaly skin, and most of them lay eggs. Let's explore some common reptiles and learn what makes each of them special. Snake.
S-N-A-K-E, snake.
Lizard.
L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard.
Turtle.
T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle.
Crocodile.
C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile.
Alligator.
A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R, alligator.
Gecko.
G-E-C-K-O, gecko.
Iguana.
I-G-U-A-N-A, iguana.
Komodo dragon.
K-O-M-O-D-O-D-R-A-G-O-N, Komodo dragon.
Chameleon.
C-H-A-M-E-L-E-O-N, chameleon.
Tortoise.
T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise.
Monitor lizard.
M-O-N-I-T-O-R-L-I-Z-A-R-D, monitor lizard.
Sea turtle.
S-E-A-T-U-R-T-L-E, sea turtle.
Skink.
S-K-I-N-K, skink.
Anole.
A-N-O-L-E, knoll.
Reptiles are fascinating creatures that play important roles in nature. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.